Oh, excuse me.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Holiday clock is tick-tocking away. The stockings are still empty, but don't panic. We've got some glam last-minute gifts that still slay. So you can
And
fill
by
up the
slay, we mean
stocking.
slay. We've enlisted the help of beauty girl Nicole Pearl. Welcome back, Nicole. We love having you on.
I'm excited to be here because I have great gifts, even if you forgot to get that gift.
I love that. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, all the things.
Yes.
So let's get started.
Let's get into it.
Okay, well, red light devices are so hot right now.
They are.
It's not too late to get one. And Care Factor is the newest. It is a red light therapy cap for your hair.
So is this to prevent baldness?
Yes, this has 302 medical grade laser diodes
Look at
that are going to thicken your hair, stimulate your hair follicle.
Well, I'm going to put it on, but I wanted to show it. But the lights don't go on
until it's on your head. Battery powered. It's FDA cleared. Use it 3 to 4 times a week. 6-minute cycle, that's it.
My head.
What do you say?
Is it on?
Wait.
Can you tell if it's on? Literally, everyone must be like, he doesn't want to mess up my hair. No, it won't.
It's on.
It won't fit. My head's too big.
No, it's not on.
Is it on?
No.
Try it. Press the button. We'll see.
I did. Okay, whatever. It would work for you.
Your head is really
My head is too big. This is for an average person. My head is too big. It won't fit. Maybe that's why it won't work.
Once it's on, then you can turn it on. Well, for me, it's huge. You want me to put it on? I'll show you guys how.
Does it work? Does it work? Is it on?
We have to move past the hat.
Okay, but
we got many other gifts.
You get 20% off with the code Chicago Today 20. These are investments. You'll never find a better deal. This is incredible. I've been using it. I highly recommend.
Okay. And your hair will be flowy. I need 2 of them. Can I get 2?
Yes. Okay, so now we're going to the wellness enthusiast. This is Apothecary. These are liquid herbal supplements that are going to help with stress relief, relaxation, your metabolism. They have all kinds of gift sets that wind down. Is so wonderful. You just put it on.
Dropper?
You can put a whole dropper on your tongue, or you can go for it. Or you can. Meanwhile, this is going to relax you, Matt, which is also a good thing.
I'm so tired.
How does it taste? How does it taste? I know, right? You've been drugged. How does it taste, though?
It was good. It was very light, like a little berry.
Yes, honestly. And you can mix it with beverages. It's 100% certified organic ingredients. This is a wonderful herbal supplement to know about, and 5 times more potent than collagen powders or supplements that are gummies and stuff like that.
Wellness is such a great gift idea.
Yes.
Okay,
this is for the beauty lover. It is Ipsy. You can do a 3-month subscription for only $50. You get 5 deluxe size beauty samples and a makeup case, so you can play with it, test it out, and really discover the hottest products around and figure out what you want.
Love that. Moving on.
Okay, Jurlique. This is their iconic ritual gift set. Their most popular skincare products. This is an Australian brand that uses farm-grown ingredients, and these products are wonderful. They have a great eco-friendly component, and it's a great value. $169 value for just $139.
Well, first of all, it's already in your holiday packaging. Because this is beautiful.
That smells great. This
you have a
rose water. Okay, we got 1 minute.
Okay, we got Resort Pass. This gives you access to the top day spas, pools, indoor facilities throughout the hotels in Chicago. So this is amazing. Go to resortpass.com, create a free account, and then for $45, somebody can get a minute to pause.
Great.
This is Redken. This is for color-treated hair. You can get this right at Ulta. This is their acidic gloss set. It's a shampoo, conditioner, and really nice heat protectant spray that will keep your color from fading for up to 32 washes.
That's
And keep the color vibrant. Love, love, love. And then we've got L'Oreal. These are their Plump Ambition lip oils. There is the pH, which color shifts to your lips to create a natural lip tint. And then there's these beautiful shades. There's 6 shades. The lip oils leave your lips glossy and really moisturized.
Very, very good. I want some more of that rose spray. Okay.